Hi, I'm Donna Farhi, and today I'd like to talk about the difference between lower back pain and sacroiliac pain. Many of my students, when they come to class, will tell me that they have lower back pain, and one of the first things I ask them to do is to show me where they're feeling that pain. And very frequently, what they do is they put their fingers either side of the sacrum on the top of the pelvis, so not in the lower back itself, but either side of the sacrum. And that's often a clue to me that the source of the pain may be more from the sacroiliac joint or some dysfunction there than from the lower back. On the skeleton, you can see that the pelvis has three bones, the ilium, the two ilium, and they frame the sacral bone, the triangular sacral bone in the middle of the pelvis. And what you might be feeling when you put your fingers on the back of your pelvis are these two prominences here, the posterior superior iliac spine, or PSIS. And often there'll be quite a bit of tenderness and swelling and discomfort in through here, which is right where the two sides of the pelvis come together against the sacrum. If I show you on the front, the triangular bone of the sacrum is meeting here at the sacroiliac joint. Now what you can't see is the joint surface. On the first slide, on the left side, what you're looking at is the surface of the ilium, the iliac bone. And on the right side of the slide, you're seeing the surface of the sacrum, the sacral bone. And those two joint surfaces fit together. And what you can't see as well is that the joint surfaces are irregular, so they have depressions and ridges. And the irregularity of the joint surface creates a very tight puzzle-like fit between ilium and sacrum, sacroiliac joint. Now when those bones misalign, which they can do through a fall or a slip or through overstretching ligaments in the back, which is very common in yogis, that beautiful puzzle-like fit can shift so that the joint is no longer aligning and gliding in the way that it should. Often what happens as a result of that is inflammation moves into the joint and creating discomfort and muscle spasm. So there's a very simple exercise that you can do to begin to work to bring the pelvic bones back into alignment. It's called the pelvic reset.